Good day learners, it's another beautiful day. Welcome to the channel Learn Every Day, Grow Every Second. So I promised you to make expert in Excel. So we'll today start with min and max function. In previous videos we learned SUMIF. Now it's time for min and max function. So it's very basic and very important function. So let's move on to the topic. So here on this particular Excel sheet I have examples of subjects and marks. Let's see what would be min of this particular marks. So I have couple of subjects: English, Maths, Science, Social. Let's see what would be the minimum marks scored by this particular student. As in I told you, in Excel every single function start with equal symbol. So it would be min. In the drop down list you can see the function, so you can click as well, you can manually click it. So you have to give a bracket, select from the array. You can select from this particular book or you can just shuffle it. So you can close the bracket or like leave it as in, and you can just like enter and boom. So this is the minimum scored. So he got 30 to be minimum marks, and this is not average, it's minimum. In normally in this particular example we can say which is minimum, as in it's just like four subjects. So in the huge data it's difficult, so min function is used over there. So let's go with max function. So max function, to do max function again we need equals max. What is the maximum mark here? It's 90. Let's see. So it would be bracket and select from the array down. That's it, enter, boom, 90. So this is how you'll get min and max functions. So to get average function you just have to click equals average. You can give average in full form or AVG2. So here average, give the bracket, average of the whole thing. Let's see the student gets pass mark or fail mark. So hit it like enter and boom. 53.54 is the average he got. Average out of these subjects. You know how to calculate average, right? Manually. Sum divided by total into 100. That's the same formula, but here with advancement of the technology in Excel we do use this particular function. So I hope you enjoy this particular video. I wish all the good luck. Stay happy, stay healthy. If you like the video, do subscribe and comment for more learning. Have a nice day. I wish you all the good luck. Bye bye.